Salam sejahtera, salam biru warna, and salam Malaysia Madani, and good evening to everyone. My name is Gong, and this video is our video presentation in this final project. Our topic is also his Hokkien pronunciation in different state. In the introduction part, TikTok is a popular platform where people share short video showcasing their creativity through singing, dancing, comedy, and more. Influencers provide tips and share opinions on topics like beauty, fashion, and cooking. Recently, cultural definition has become a trending topic in the TikTok. For our final project, we chose Hokkien pronunciation in different states to explore the phrasality diversity within the Hokkien language across various regions. And this slide is gonna explain about Hokkien pronunciation in different states. Yes, Hokkien is one of the Chinese dialects, originally from Fujian province in China, spread to Malaysia through Chinese immigrants and is now widely speaking, especially in Penang, Selangor, and Johor on Taiping or another state. Different states have unique Hokkien pronunciation. This because multicultural influences. On TikTok, users are creating popular videos discussing these definitions, such as Crown Hokkien vs Penang Hokkien and Penang Hokkien vs Johor Hokkien. This trending showcase the unique cultural pride in Malaysia. That's why we chose this topic as our final project topic. In this slide, we're gonna talk about trending in our topic. On TikTok, a trending topic highlights these definitions where synchronous, comedy, and optimized. For example, for our topic, we already find the 3 videos as our example videos. The first video is a funny, infectious Wapikung, showcase Penang vs CHEE, it means Selangor, Hokkien, where 27.3 likes and 460 comments and 4,645 shares. And the second video features a couple from Johor and Penang, comparing the Hokkien of the different. Already got 30.7k likes and 627 comments and 2,500 shares. And the last video is a Malay uncle discussing Hokkien variations across state had 3,314 likes, 19 comments, and 49 shares. So it means this trend reflects Malaysia's unique multicultural society, and is why this 3 video has successfully got viral. This slide is gonna explain about our analysis about our topics based on the 3 TikTok video about Hokkien pronunciation in different states. In the representation part, this video reflects the diversity within the Hokkien speaking community by highlighting regional variations. The future speaker of different states showcasing unique assets, strength, and cultural nuances. For example, in the first video, Shrowi in the Selatan is Zam Sui. White in the Utana is Zan E. This representation underscore the significant variation within a single dialect group, fostering a grading appreciation of cultural diversity among views. And in the stereotypes part, this video also highlights regional answers. Views can entertain but also reinforce stereotypes about how people from certain areas speak. The humor of reliance on stereotyping behaviors on language use, which may be portraying nano views of the Hokkien speaking community. And also in the power dynamics part, this TikTok video, there's 3 TikTok video provide a platform for Hokkien speaker, shifting cultural power in a media world using domain by Mandarin or English. The enthusiastic response, especially from younger viewers, signal significant shift and cultural empowerment. This video empower young to actively present and promote their linguistic intelligence, fostering a deeper appreciation for New Zealand dialects within the Hokkien speaking community. And also in this community relation part, the community response to these 3 videos has been overwhelmingly positive. I wonder from their wider lecture and the high engagement in the comment section. Viewers appreciate the info to preserve and promote their dialect, Hokkien, particularly among younger generation. This utterances has sparked a trend among other TikTokers to create similar content, contributed to a broader movement for dialect Hokkien preservation on social media. These videos are not only entertainment but also serve as a powerful tool for cultural empowerment and identity preservation within the Hokkien speaking community. So finally, we're gonna explain about the part of reflection for our topic. For impact of identity, the topic Hokkien pronunciation in different states has given a unique and self-identity to people who speak Hokkien, especially for Penang, Selangor, Johor, and Taiping or another state. It represents their origins and symbolizes their identity. By preserving and promoting Hokkien, these regions share their culture with other states, keeping the language alive and bright. For impact belonging, Hokkien language includes 4 main dialects: Chaozhou, Zhangzhou, Xiamen, and Tong'an. Each has an unique pronunciation. For example, in Penang, U is Lu, but in Kra is Le. So, TikTok helps preserving these definitions, making Hokkien culture accessible to younger generation. This platform allows the older generation to pass down the dialect, encourage young people to learn and embrace their linguistic heritage and culture. By promoting Hokkien on TikTok, it can be ensured its preservation and renovation for the future. For impact or education, this topic Hokkien pronunciation in different states acts as advice to preserve and spread Hokkien culture to other races in Malaysia. This trend not only entertains but also ensures the culture is passed down and understood by other culture. By promoting Hokkien, it provides and connect cultural information and help keep the language alive for future generations. This advice through TikTok helps safeguard Hokkien heritage, making it accessible and readable. Last thing, impact of social change. This topic and trending of Hokkien pronunciation in different states have significantly impact Malaysian society. In this modern era, with widespread use of smartphones, people are increasingly use social media platforms like TikTok to spread Hokkien culture and language. TikTok video of Hokkien pronunciation and traditional culture are becoming popular, offering huge benefits for younger generation and others who can learn more about Hokkien culture. This trend enhances multiculturalness, promoting understanding and appreciation among different community and states. It acts as a unique image of Malaysia, where the wide race can understand and embrace Hokkien culture. By leveraging social media, it ensures that the Hokkien language and culture remain vibrant and renewable, contributed to a rise more inclusive society. In summary, the Hokkien dialect remains vibrant in various states like Penang, Kedah, Selangor, and another states. Aerospace through platform on the TikTok. This cultural presenting benefits representation, challenge stereotypes, and shape power dynamics and another impacts. So this is the list of our reference for research the topic. So I believe that that's all our video presentation. Thanks for your attention. Goodbye.